Alright, what's going on, y'all? So today is an exciting day. We got my truck cleaned up. We got it washed earlier. And I'm meeting with the boys today. Gonna take a couple shots. Not like drinking shots, but picture shots. But yeah, she's all cleaned up. Ready to go. Right now I'm about to meet up my brother and my niece for lunch. So y'all stay tuned. Here doing his thing, repping his and this is what we do it for the good cops, not them crooked ass motherfuckers. But hey, he will beat your ass, but he ain't gonna kill you. Nah, I'm just kidding. Alright, so you can see I'm running the American flag with the blue line, supporting our front line. Might be getting a lot of criticism for it, but you know, my brother's a cop and I'm supporting him because I know he's a good one and he's out here risking his life every day taking care of us. And this is for, you know, the people that actually go to work and do their job, you know what I mean? And I might get a lot of criticism for it in these times, but it is what it is. I'm willing to take the consequences because I stand up for my family, you know what I'm saying? And for the others that I know that's gonna really go out there and do the right thing. And at the end of the day, man, people forget that it's a job, you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing crazy. You know, it's a job. You pick your career, people want a better future, they go out there. But then you got these crooked motherfuckers that get, I guess, power hungry or whatever it is. Got their ego messed up. But yeah, but we waiting on my boy Swindle. So we're gonna see when he pull up. Wow. And I just felt like I had to put that out there just so y'all can understand a little bit about me. I'm from the streets, but I didn't choose the right path all the time. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. Wow, some other bitch. Oh shit. That motherfucker clean. She look good, boy.
Good, boss. Tonight.
Hell yeah. What's going on, y'all? So we are here at TireSouth, meeting up with the fellas. As you can see, we got all the sick shit. I'm gonna do a little quick intro. This is my boy Brian, got the Quantums. My Goys 24x14 concave. This motherfucker, Johnny, got the diesel Dodge 2500. What's going on? Got the 2500 with the American Forces 26x14. Bow. This is my boy Chris. 9-inch McCoys 20x10. Bastard. My boy Lee. D. This is D right here, 26x14. Lee got the 24x14s. Snoop with the Archons. And me. My boy Swindle. 22x14, 9-inch McGoys. Yes, sir. And we over here waiting on Drew with his slow ass. It's been my dream right here. Getting a bunch of trucks together. We are at location number 2 with the gang. We invaded an outlet. sir. With my brother. How you feeling, man?
Great. We riding out today.
Boy, you sound white as hell.
Sorry. Sorry, I'm just white.
That's Drew. Y'all already know his truck. Then my boy Swindle came a long ways.
What's up?
You know what I'm saying? How you feeling about it?
Like it.
You liking this shit?
Getting together.
Hell yeah.
Riding out.
That's what we do.
That's right.
It's the movement. All right, so one unique thing about us when we started this, it just happened overnight. But as you can see, we are multicultural. We diverse here. We don't believe in that racism shit. A lot of people spread that negativity or whatever, but we ain't with it. We start a new movement. All big boys. Got my nephew working. This is Tyler. If you're in the area, you need a shoot, holla at me. Yes, sir. It's been an exhausting day, but it's been fun. We out here at the 4th location again. Our last little shots. Oh man, beautiful. It's beautiful. I mean, if you got a passion for trucks, you would know how we feel right now. Every single one of us feeling good, feeling great. But if you're in the local area, you got a dope ass build and you want to come join us, feel free to hit me up and I'll give you the details and whatnot, the ins and outs and everything. So yeah. Alright man, so it's the end of the day. We tired as hell. It's my baby. She look busted.
All tired. Hungry too.
Drew. Yup. Last shot. The babies with the chopper from the U.S. Army. The limp flag. Man, that shit look bad. Yes sir, but yeah, catch me on the next one. Bow.
Zamunda.
That was a clip of the little photo shoot we had. It was the first one, so I didn't get much footage because I was busy coordinating and everything. But yeah, tell me what y'all think. Tell me what you think of the builds. I know I didn't go over them, but it is what it is. But maybe you'll catch them on the next one. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bow, someone a bitch.